Welcome! In front of me I have REALME C3, and today I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from your display. So we will start from one of the edge. For example, from the upper section of the screen, we have to put our fingernail underneath this tempered glass. So let's make it like that. Just take a look. And then we can simply move it to the another edge. Remember to do it slowly and don't break the glass, like I did. Okay, and as you can see, it was removed, and it was pretty simple, right? So it was, it's everything. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.